So after making my bed, getting my water, I'm going to do something with my hair and my makeup. Not a lot, but just a little bit. And I'm gonna put this on. It's castor oil and different essential oils. I like to add it to my forehead and rub it into my wrinkle. I'm probably not gonna do makeup today. I'm probably just gonna do this. I might put a little more on. figured I would stop and make a quick little video just kind of talking about some of the stuff that I've been doing today. So I'm running to Home Depot right now to get some more stain for the fence. We ended up using all of that can that I had bought. I wasn't sure how far one can was going to go, so I didn't want to buy a bunch, and then I wanted to kind of see if I liked the color. Obviously we're committing to the color because we put it on the fence, but I wasn't ready to buy a whole bunch yet. I was like, I'll just buy one, test it out, see if I like it. We like it. Now we know how much we might end up needing. I'll buy a few. I'm not going to buy all of it yet. I'm going to buy a few cans of stain today so I can get a little more done before the weekend. And then I'm close to Walmart, so I might run in and grab a couple of things from Walmart. I made myself a little list. I'm completely out of white vinegar, so I just need to remember. I'll grab some of that since I'm here, because I might as well run in there and grab a couple things. Key is not to overdo it and get too many things, but just to get a few. What's on my list? And then head back home. That's the plan. Well guys, thanks for hanging out with me today. It was a lovely day to spend in the garden, in the kitchen, and running all over the place doing my errands. It was great to bring you along. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please leave a like. It really helps out my videos.
and the channel, and make sure you subscribe if you want to see what else I'm up to. Thank you so much for watching. Oh, look, somebody decided to come say hi. It's because the dog is asleep, so he's sneaking in to get pets. Oh, he's giving you a whole show.